Your home should tell a story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. Hi everyone, I am architect Sarika Kulkarni from SK Design Studio and we are located in Hiranandani Estate, Thane West. Trupti, Gaurav and Rohin along with their parents wanted a house which should be modern and at the same time it should reflect their personalities. We have designed this 3 BHK house in Hiranandani Estate, Fiona. Let's go inside and check how this 3 BHK home has turned out and what the client has to say about it. Shall we?
So when we bought this house, I think we have a very clear-cut requirement that we don't want anything regular, and that's how we started looking out for various architects. We have interacted with so many multiple architects and tried to convey our expectation, and we had some initial discussions, but over a period of time somehow things were not working out as per our liking, and that's how my wife, who was actively browsing on the social media, came to know about SK Design Studio, and that's how our whole journeys with Sarika started. In our family, every one of us are very inclined toward music. So when we were discussing about how we should design our living room, I think after understanding our inclination, Sarika only suggested that let's go for something which reflects or which talks about the music aspect, and that's how this alabaster, and on which we have come up with a musical theme, has came out exceptionally well. Even this raised area, I think I can vouch that even in the whole building, this particular area which we have created a lounge or a low sitting kind of a setup, nowhere it has been created like this. So this is a very unique designing which she's been able to do it. I think entrance is, I would like to mention it very specifically, and it has been a wow factor at the beginning of our house. So I think that is something which is very appealing to everyone, and everyone is quite happy with the way it has been turned up.
It has been a dream home for us, and we are really thankful to Sarika for making that dream come true for all of us. So for a female it's a very different thing, and when it comes to your own home, obviously with the decor you want to see how it can be maintained well. So Sarika was very understanding, and I always reached out to her telling her that I need some things that I could maintain easily, and you will see it around the house that she has given all the options mostly possible wherever that things can be very easily done. Also, this is a duct area that we have, and the whole idea around how do we convert that duct into a dining room was completely hers, and it turned out to be really nice. Also, when it comes to the kids room, my son had a very specific requirement that he wanted very vibrant colors, and the colors that she has suggested are very subtle yet very vibrant. So that's the beauty of it, and all our old furniture was there. Some amount of furniture we took from the old house. She actually color coordinated the rooms in such a way that nobody can spot it out that those furniture are old furniture. So great work done in all the rooms.
most important thing as an architect, she is quite open to take ideas from you also. It is not that she is very stubborn, that if she has told you something she wants to be like that only. I think that is a very unique quality which I think everyone will not reflect. So that is again which is was a very encouraging point for us also to get more involved in this whole project. But it was a lovely experience for us, and we really thank Sarika and his team, and thank you very much for able to create this kind of a wow dream house for us.
Kitchen is also something that plays an important role, so she played it very nice, that you know how the kitchen decor should be, how the maximum space can be taken out from the kitchen. So both of us find it very easy to work in the kitchen as well. So that's another part that I'm really thankful to her and her team.
जब उन लोग ने घर खरीदा तो मुझे एंट्रेंस एरिया बिल्कुल ही अच्छा नहीं लगा था, तो मैंने गौरव से बोला कि एंट्रेंस एरिया बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए। उसके बाद जब सारिका ने काम किया मैंने देखा तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया। ये मेरे बच्चों का ड्रीम है और इस पर मुझे बहुत गर्व है कि बच्चों ने इतना अच्छा काम किया और उसमें सारिका ने 4 चांद लगाया। और सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि अपनी ड्रीम के साथ साथ उनने अपने पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत अच्छा ध्यान रखा। मुझे भगवान की जो रिक्वायरमेंट थी वो उन्होंने किया। इस मामले में सारिका मैं ये कहूँगी कि मेरे बच्चों ने ये किया है और आगे और बहुत अच्छा करें और उसमें आप ही सहयोग दें।